The ACIXX RC Mini Drone is an excellent choice for both kids and beginners due to its user-friendly features and easy control using the throttle stick. This mini drone is designed to perform various fun functions such as toss to launch, circle fly, auto rotation, and 3D flips, giving users an enjoyable flight experience. With 2 batteries included, each offering 8 minutes of flight time, users can enjoy up to 16 minutes of uninterrupted fun. The drone is made from high-quality ABS material, making it durable and safe for use, as it comes with 4 sturdy propeller guards to protect users from potential injuries. The ACIXX RC Mini Drone makes a great gift for kids during Christmas and birthdays, as it offers plenty of fun features for them to explore and enjoy. The package includes the drone, a transmitter, 2 drone batteries, a USB charging cable, 4 extra propellers, a propeller screwdriver, and a user manual, providing everything needed for a great drone flying experience.